Assalamualaikum everyone, Sadia Gondal here from Javed Publishers. Today we will be doing Kids English Grade 4, chapter number 9, and the topic of the chapter is a historical place. So let's start. On page number 64, now we will be doing the grammar section. The first topic of the grammar section today is paired adjectives. Adjectives describe a noun, and when we use two adjectives together, it's called as paired adjectives. For example, lovely and beautiful, famous and well-known, funny young boy. Now in all these sentences we have used two adjectives together, so it's going to be paired adjectives. Now we have to write three pairs of adjectives, so let's write them out. Next we have modal verbs, and in modal verbs we will be doing can, cannot, may and should. So let's learn about their usage. We use can and cannot where we show the ability or inability to do something. That is, when we can do something, we say can, and we cannot, and when we cannot do something, we say cannot. The other modal verb may and may not is used when we are asking for permission. And should and should not is used as obligation. That is, when we use should and should not, we mean that it is something compulsory. इसको करना ज़रूरी है या फिर बिल्कुल ही करना ज़रूरी नहीं है, लेकिन ज़रूरी का एलिमेंट should के साथ आता है. Now let's fill in the blanks using modal verbs correctly. You dash not leave the meeting. You cannot leave the meeting. His mother says he blank watch cartoons after finish homework. His mother says he can watch cartoons. C. I blank play tennis in the evening. The answer is I can play tennis in the evening. D. Dash I use your book? May I use your book? E. You dash take some rest. You should take some rest. Now let's learn about joining words. Joining words are the words that join the words and phrases and sentences together. For example, Kiran has two books and Kiran has a pen. Now when we join these two phrases together, it will become Kiran has two books and a pen. So when we join words, we do not repeat the names. Now let's write 5 more sentences using joining words. First sentence is, he is a good student as he works hard. Here as is the joining word. You will fail if you will not study hard. Here if is the joining word. He will go on time so he can finish his work early. Here so is the joining word. I will eat fries and burger in lunch. Thank you everyone. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और जुड़े रहिएगा बोलती किताबों के साथ.